Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can schedule a meeting with the lead or the deal in Pipedrive. So first things first, we have to create the Pipedrive account. Obviously that's a bit silly of me, but once we are in here, we want to go to leads. It's basically the first option in the left side or left sidebar. And at the moment in this account that I freshly created, we have one deal. In this one deal, we want to click on it. And also there are many options that we can change. We can add email, we can add phone, add address, many more things, but there is activity. First one is notes that are only visible to members that are allowed to see this contact or this lead. Activity and email. We want to jump into activity, and that's about it. Like we have call, meeting, task, deadline, email, and or lunch. We want to schedule a meeting, so we press a meeting. Next one. That's like we want to name it somehow. Then, as you can see, it's January 2022, but we can go to Monday, we can add time, and 11:15. January 10, 2022. You can add guests, location, video call, or description. Schedule 3, you can add some notes. Obviously, very nice option. The member who is owning this one, and the lead, which is Rocket Company, and the guy who is for this case employed in Rocket Company. And we can just press save. As you can see, we have business opportunity with label "Don't screw this up." And everybody, because I set it to like everyone can see this activity, can see that we scheduled a business opportunity meeting with Rocket Company at Monday 10:15 a.m. Should last 1 hour, and I'm the owner of the account or the contact. And that's about it, guys. It's very easy. If you have any questions, you can basically write down your question underneath this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.